Hello everybody, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and I wanted to show you the car I'm working on. It's a Maserati GranTurismo Sport. Just finished it up. What we did was a wash. We cleared it, we waxed it, and we did a little light cleaning on the interior. Vacuum, wipe down, make it look nice again. Hope you can see it's kind of dark. We had to pull it inside the garage because it started raining. You know how it is in Florida, rain comes down, but it's okay. It's all done now. Check it out now, nice and shiny. The car originally had a little bit of overspray on the hood. Customer said he drove past a construction site or parked next to a construction site and picked up some of the overspray, so it came through. I came over and knocked that, removed it. Can't see anything, can't really see it on the hood, but this is the area that it was. You can see the reflection of the sky. It had little white dots on it, but like I said, we removed it. It's convertible. Cleaned the top too. Top is swell. Here's the other side. Back is clean, and the front is clean. But yeah, this car is pretty much done. It's ready to go. I'm gonna go call the customer. This is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning. Y'all have a good day. Take care.